Okay, so this is a continuation of JavaScript. You can see that what I've got is on the left-hand side, I've got 3 circles that are my snowman. And so now what I want to do is I want to add a rectangle. And so I'm just going to do RECT bracket, and then I can put in 4 numbers. So the quick thing that I always do for my kids is I usually go 100, 100, 100, 100, and then I end the bracket with a semicolon, so that gives me that square. And in that way I can manipulate the 4 numbers. The first number is your x value, I can put it in the middle, and the second number is your y value, so I can put it up a little bit higher. The third number is the width, and then the fourth number is the actual height. So what I can do is I can look like this, and then you just simply manipulate and put it where you want it to be. So I'm going to go like this, and then I'm going to go here, make that just a little bit bigger. There. And now what I want to do is I want to make an extra rectangle. So my quick way is just to copy that code and then to add it a second time. My second rectangle, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it come down just a little bit, and then what I'm going to do is to make it wider, but then I'm going to make it a little bit thinner. Let's move it to there, and then just a little bit further down. Okay, so here's the last thing. What I can do is I can fill things. So for example, if I went like this and I added an extra line, I type in fill. It automatically fills in with a red color, but I could choose any color I want. So I'm going to choose black. And then what I can do is I could add extra elements. What I am going to do is I'm going to put a background in here. And so I'm just going to add that. You have to remember to put your background in first so that it will look like it's supposed to. So I could add something like this. I could make it lighter, and we're done. So then I can save this. I can add a background and other things like that. So the last thing is that all of these things, the rectangles, the triangles, and other more complicated things are all found in the documentation, which is below, so that you could add something to it if you really wanted to. And it also teaches you how to change the colors. So I hope that that helps. This is how to add extra elements using JavaScript.